In this video, I will guide you on how to change Uber default payment method. First, launch open the Uber app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the wallet option. Here you will be able to view your saved payment method. Now under your right profile, find the option of personal. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on the selected payment method option. Now, if you want to use a new payment method, tap on the Add Payment Method option over here. Then from here, add a new credit card, debit card, bank account, or another supported payment option. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the setup. Once your payment methods are available, select the one that you want to use as your default for that ride. Your selection will automatically be used for future rides unless you choose a different payment method before booking. And that's how you can change your default payment method. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.